common construct in C. To really understand pointers, you must first understand how a variable works. A variable is a typed and named location in memory. In this declaration, memory is allocated in the size of an integer and associated with the name x. Here, the integer value 1 is placed in the memory location associated with the integer variable x. And this is both a declaration and an assignment. Memory is allocated in the size of int, and the value from the variable x is copied into the variable named y. The variable y now contains a separate integer in a separate memory location with the same value as the variable x. So we can see that the name of a variable is used as an index to map to a memory address and a particular associated data type. C syntax gives you the ability to create a variable that is a pointer to a value, as opposed to carrying the value itself. This is a pointer declaration. The variable named IP is of the type pointer to int. Here, memory is allocated in the size of a pointer, and the compiler associates this pointer with the type int. This is typically referred to as an integer pointer. Here, the address of x is placed in the pointer variable named IP. The ampersand is formally called the reference operator, but is more commonly called the address of operator. It returns the address of an object suitable for assigning to a pointer. So this statement assigns the address of x to the integer pointer IP. The integer pointer IP now points to the integer variable x. It's worth noting that the ampersand is also used in C++ for a special reference type that is not available in C. The reference type is covered later in the data types chapter. This statement copies the value pointed to by IP, which currently points to the integer variable x, to the integer variable y. You can, of course, change IP to point to a different variable. Understanding pointers is critical to using C or C++ effectively. Take some time to go through these examples and experiment with pointers on your own. Understanding this will serve you well for the long term.